Okay, students, and today also we will start the class as we discussed in the last meeting. Okay, last meeting we discussed about how to create a module, and we created our user-defined module. Let me go for a short recap. Okay, let you see the slide which is shared by here. What is module we have seen? That is what is module, what is package, and what is functions. This definition we have discussed in the last class. And module, the relationship between a module, package, and library. Module is it's a file it's a Python file which contains all the function definitions that you can see the slide. Python definitions, functions, variables, classes, and other statements. Okay, that's it contains these files. Okay, and package, we have seen today the topic is how to create a user defined package, or how to create our own library in Python. That's our topic. So you can see in the second point, Python package is simply as a directory. As a directory means it's a library of Python module. It contains what the library contains. You can see the third line, third point. Library is a collection of various packages. Okay, that is both the libraries and package, both are similar word that you can see from, you can get from this slide also too. Okay, so actually what is package means, if you can say that package is a collection of modules. Let me see what is package means. It's a collection of modules. We know how to create a module. Okay, but how to create a package, we want to see it. Okay, that today's our concept is this one. Okay, have you understand what is package? Can anyone say what is package?
Collection of modules.
Yes, collection of modules, that is package. Okay,
Library.
then you can see many packages are there. That is libraries, standard library. We are using math module, C math module, random module, and string modules also there. So these are all the standard library. I already said, for example, input function we are using the print statement, print function. These are all where it is defined. These functions and all where it is defined means it is in the library, Python libraries. Okay, many functions, many libraries are there, user defined. NumPy is a library, SciPy is a library, Tkinter is a library. It is for GUI, for graphical user interface. We can create a label, buttons, all those things with the Tkinter. Okay, and let me go to the next slide. So what is module we have seen? A module is it contains a function definitions. What is the use means? It reduce the complexity. As we seen, we wrote our own module in the last class for area of all the objects, rectangle, triangle. So we wrote one separate file and it's stored in another location. Okay, then whenever we are writing the program, we are merely we are importing the module and we are started to use it, isn't it? So that's why it is very reduce the complexity. The lines of code will be very much reduced if you are using module means. Okay, so these are all the advantage. Reuse, the third point, you can see content can be reused in another program. Once you define the module, for example, the module contains area, that we defined a module that is area. It contains all the area of it is the module is used to find all the area of an object, circle, square, rectangle, triangle, all those things. Wherever we need to find the area of triangle, we can simply import the module import area. Okay, last class we have discussed. Okay, and today let me see how to create a package. Okay, this is the structure of Python module. Module inside variables, functions, that is the function definitions, and local variables, that local scope of variable, and classes. Actually, class is another concept. So all the things we can use in the function that is in the module. Okay, and we have seen types of importing the module. Two ways are there to import a module. One is importing math. Another one is, you can see, from, using the keyword from, we can import the module also too. Okay. Is it, the screen is visible and understandable whenever I am scrolling? Okay, because let me see, we have seen how to create a module. Okay, in these things we have asked your own doubt. Okay, last class, how to import our module from another location. Okay, last class that only we discussed, and I said in next class I will clear your doubt. Okay, I will minimize it. You can start to see. 1 minute. You can see that I will share my folder. See, this is a folder we have seen in our mobile. Okay, that is last class.
So not visible.
Not visible. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Is it okay?
No, sir.
Oh no. Okay. 1 minute. I will go to the main prompt. Now is it visible? Now is it visible to all?
Sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can see module we have seen last class. That is our concept. No, you can see this is a module. 1 minute. So this is a module we have created. We have seen in our last class. Okay, temperature is a module name and temperature conversion is a program name. Okay, I stored both the things in a same folder. That's why we can merely use what we can use. Import module. Okay, suppose the module is present in another one. That I will show the screen. I will open this one. This is the program. I'm just opening it. You can see this is the file I have shown to you. Is it visible? The font is visible to all. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see
sir.
import. That's why you had a doubt. No, don't try to write anything. Okay, erase it, erase. Okay, you can see that import sys. That is sys is a module. It is a built-in module in Python. Okay, so import sys and sys.path.append. We have seen second line. You can see sys.path.append. Okay, then where we defined the module. The module is where it is present. I already shown. You can see it is in F colon under the folder Python module. Can you see the pointer? Colon is the drive is F drive and the module is, the folder is Python folder. Python module. Okay, inside that, what we can see? Temperature in the module is defined. Could you understand? Do you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see, come to the program. Now you can see sys.path.append of F colon / Python module. I just define in a single quote or double quote. We can define inside. Then afterwards, we set the path. Where the module is there, we set the path. Then you can see import temperature. We are import, some of them, mute your audio, please. Okay, is it okay now? Import temperature as TP. We are giving alias name for that. Later using this program. So I'm just running this program. You can see. So it will ask the 1 minute. It will ask the Celsius. I'm just giving 36, and Fahrenheit. I'm just giving 105. So you can get the output. Okay, how to? This is the way how to import. For example, import a module from another location. For example,
That's
the
this
module.
path alone, sir.
Yes.
That's this path append alone. Can you explain once again?
That's why import sys is a module. Sy is a module. Okay, so from the module, that module is used to set the path for the path inside our computer. Okay, where the module is locating, where the package is locating. We are tracing our location. For that, we are importing the sys module. That is sys module. Okay, this is a default statement you have to give. Sys dot.
Understood, sir. How
Yes.
to write inside that bracket F colon that alone?
That we have to find. That is, generally we can type 1 minute. Normally you can copy that from the location also. For example, this is the location means you can copy, right click on over it and get the property. You can get it. F colon only. That is inside the. That is, you can see this F colon and Python module. Would you able to see this? The pointer where it is.
Yes, sir.
So simply just go to the file F colon and where it the file name is Python folder. So we have
Single
to give,
slash and it is
here it's, yes,
single slash or double slash.
double slash, you can see automatically it will come if you give the double slash means. You can see in this screen. Now
Okay,
if I
sir.
click means it's okay. Did you understand this? So after
Yes,
that
sir.
we have to save, then again we have to run it. I mean, if you execute means it will be executed. So where the file is, where the temperature file, where the module temperature is located, where it is located, inside the F colon, and folder name is Python. Inside the folder Python module, we defined these things. Okay, have you understand? Yes.
In case I am storing this Python module in another file, two files are there, sir, to access. Then what to do? How to write?
I didn't understand.
I am creating another file, temperature. I
Okay.
am storing this program and module in that file.
Okay.
The temperature file is under this Python module.
Okay.
Then how to write this statement? In
You are asking.
up
You are asking instead of F colon, you are storing the module in some other
no,
location.
sir. No, sir. You create another file and store this both in that.
What file I want to create?
Another file, temperature, new file.
Temperature is a module, no.
No, sir. Under this Python module, you create another file.
Okay. The file name should be what? That's my
Anything,
question.
temperature.
Already it is there, no. That's why I'm asking. Or else if you ask the question means I can try to answer your question. Your doubt is?
No, sir.
Hmm.
Now right click and create one folder, sir.
Okay. I will just coming out and just okay, create a new folder.
Sir, no, sir. No,
Hmm.
sir.
Hmm.
Inside that Python module, you create another folder. I'm saying, sir.
Okay. Okay. I create a new folder.
Store this both temperature and temperature
This.
conversion in that.
Okay.
In this.
Okay.
And how to access it, sir?
We no need to create. For example, temperature conversion is a program. So the program is already default. I will open it. I will show it to you. You can see the temperature conversion is a program. Already it is in the things. We no need to set the path. Okay. Automatically it is there. Suppose the temperature
You
conversion.
open
Yes.
in Ideal.
Which one? This temperature conversion.
Yes, sir. How to paste this path? I'm asking, sir.
We know, that's why I'm saying the temperature conversion, we no need to set the path, because where it is that this function is, where the program is defined inside the same folder only. No, if the program is which is reside in the same folder where the module is also, means we no need to set the path. Okay, suppose the module is defined in another folder, another location, means that time only we have to use the path. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
While
here
giving the path, I need to give Python module slash or comma.
Slash, I already shown. No, I will show to the, again I will show the program. You can see this program.
Here I
Sys
need to
dot
use Python module slash new folder or comma new folder.
slash double slash. If you give the double slash, then automatically it will ask where the new folder. Inside the new folder, if suppose another module is defined, the module is defined means you have to click like that. Could you see this?
Understood, sir.
Understood. Okay. So now you understand. So how to access the file from another location, that is a module. Okay, in package also same thing. Students, rest of the students, please listen. For packaging, for package also, importing package also, same thing we have to follow it. Okay. So 1 minute. Okay, let me see today how to create a package. Okay, 1 minute, I will share the screen. Okay, I'm closing this. I no need to save it. So how to create a package? That is, what is package? I already said. First step is, first we want to create a folder. Okay, I'm just opening that. Already I created the package. You can see this in the F colon, in the F drive. So you can see this is the package, Python package. This is the folder name. SB Math is a package name. Okay, this is the folder. Okay, first we need to create a folder and we need to give a name for the folder. Okay, and second step, you want to create open a Python prompt and you want to create a new file init. Okay, so I will show the direct demo to you. Okay, so I will tell step by step how to create a folder. Okay, inside I'm just creating a new folder. That new folder is already there. I'm just renaming it. Okay, this is I'm creating SB Math. Okay, for already it's created, that's why I'm showing. The folder name is SB Math. Okay, so now the folder is created. So inside the folder nothing is there. Okay, so now I want to create a Python file. Okay, go to the file and new file, click the new file, and now you just save the file with the empty file. Okay, init file, it is a basic file. What is init file? Means initialization file. Okay, if the initialization file is there, means then only the interpreter will take it is a Python package, or else it won't take init file. So underscore, you can see that init, init, again underscore .py. I'm giving the file name, not in the default folder. I'm changing the location into different one. F colon. In that F colon, I created the new file, that is SB Math I created. In that things, I'm going to store a empty Python file. You can see this init. Okay, init, initiation file. Okay, the initialization file should be must. It is must. Okay, so it should be empty. We no need. We can create the help also. Help or documentation string and help function we can define in the init file. These are all option. Okay, so now I'm saving this file where you can see the location. I'm showing the pointer. If I'm moving the pointer here, F colon, new folder I created. I just given the name SB Math. Okay, now I saved it. Okay, now the file is init.py. You can see it is there. Now I'm closing this. You can see this SB Math one package is created. Now only we created. I'm just opening it. Inside one Python file is there. Underscore init underscore. Okay, we created a empty file. So far you understand, no? Have you understood how to create a package?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we need to, what is package? I said, can you explain what is package?
It is a library which contains set of modules.
It is a collection of modules. What is package
Modules.
means? Is, yes, it is a collection of modules. So we know what is module, how to create a module and all. How to create a package only now we are learning it. Okay, so now I want to create a module. You know how to create a module. It is a Python file. It contains all the function definitions. Okay, so merely I'm just already I created the file. Okay, so I'm using it. So two files I created. One is area, another one is volume. So these two files I copying it, and I'm going to store in the our file, that is our library or our package. Okay, so I pasting this two Python files. Okay, so I will open this are a module name. Area is a module name. Volume is a module name. Okay, so now I'm just opening the Python file module for you. Area it contains, as you know, that area of import math. I want to use the what is the thing? SQRT function. You can see equilateral triangle. For that, I want to use the SQRT function. The SQRT function is defined inside the math module. So that's why it is a module. Area.py is a module. That module contain another module. Inside the module, we are importing another module. You can see in the first line, import math. Then afterwards, I am defining what? All the function definitions, square function definition, area of rectangle, area of triangle, circle, equilateral triangle, all those things I'm defining. Then the function is returning the result R to the call statement. Have you clear about this area function? Sorry, area module?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let you know, you already know how to create a module. Okay, suppose in that module, any function definition is using any other module, means we need to import. For example, this current module is area. Okay, the module is using another function. You can see in the last line, I'm just pointing the cursor to you. Math.sqrt, last function you can see. I'm just selecting this. So I'm just using the sqrt function. Okay, the sqrt function is defined in the math module. That's why I'm importing math module in where? Where I'm importing this math module?
In our module.
In our user defined module area, right? Did you understand? All the students understood this one? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know that what is the area module contain. I'm closing it. I'm just opening the volume module. 1 minute. So the volume of cone, volume of cylinder, here I didn't use any other module. Okay, simply I'm just defining the function definition. Volume of cone, volume of cylinder, cube and cuboid, volume of sphere. So I already defined the function for that. Okay, so you know that how to create a model. It is another module. Its name is volume. It's named as volume. Okay, so now I just closing this file. So this is a package. A package contains a collection of, you can come to the definition. What is package means? You know, it's a collection of modules. So it's collecting the module area, volume. Likewise, we can develop our own module in different names. Many calculations we can do it. And main thing, one file should contain, that is initiation file. init file, that is underscore init, init underscore .py. That extension should be in .py. What the file is containing means we can keep it as a empty file. It's nothing. The file, we didn't type anything. It's empty file, empty Python file. Or else we can create our own documentation, or else help function. Help is one function. That function will tell about the module, about the package. This package is meant for this purpose. What are the modules are available inside the package? Okay, so all the definitions, all the explanation we can type as a documentation string in the help function. Okay, did you understand? But it is optional. We may keep or we may not keep. Now we created the module. The module name is I just given SB Math. Okay, so now I am just using how to use into it. 1 minute. Here I'm just using package test is a program. I will copy the program. I will show to you. For time being, I already made this. That's why I'm doing. Okay. So I'm pasting the program in the same file where the module is. Okay. So package test is a program name. It's merely a just general program. Okay. I'm opening the program. You can see this in the Python file. It is a program. Import sb dot area. What is area? What is SB Math? Can you say?
Module.
No. What is SB Math? Is it module?
Package, sir.
It's a package. Area is what? Area is what?
Module.
Module. Okay, you can see area is a module. Okay. Then import, again I'm importing the another one module, that is SB Math is a package. Where the module is defined means inside the package SB Math dot volume. I am giving an alias name for that because it is too lengthy. No, that's why I'm just using alias name for that. ARNBO. Okay. So likewise I'm just using that. And here I'm writing that input, I'm getting the area, radius value, length, breadth, height, all the values I'm getting. Then I'm accessing, printing the value. You can see in this line, the selecting line, you can see print of the area of square is AR dot square. What is AR? That is actually I want to type SB Math dot area dot square. Okay, I want to type like that, but instead of I'm giving a short name, alias name AR. Okay. So area, for that I'm just using the alias name AR dot square. Yesterday, last class we have discussed how to access the module math dot power, math dot sqrt. Likewise here area dot, what is area? AR means it contains SB dot area. Okay, square of A, the square function, that is we are passing one arguments. Okay, that is A we are passing, then in the square it will be called. Do you understand how to create a function? How to use the program, how to import the package and modules inside your program. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So suppose, for example, I am storing, you may have the doubt. See, you can see this, I'm minimizing that. I'm storing the function. Can you able to see the pointer pointing this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
package test is a program where I'm keeping this file in the same location. You can see the location f:/sbmath. That is a package. Inside the package itself, what I'm doing, I'm keeping the file. Suppose I'm keeping the file in apart from that. Okay, some other desktop. I will show that. Okay. So this is the package test where I'm keeping. You can see in the desktop I'm keeping. It is not in f:. No. So suppose the package is in another folder. Okay. Suppose the package is in another folder means how to access. Let you see this. You can see imports is. Oh, sorry. Time is about to complete. Let me start in the next session also in upcoming things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Rejoin it, pa. Okay, now we will start our session again. So in this last session, we have seen how to import, for example, the module is, the package is in another location. For example, one of the students in our project, suppose we are going to do a project at the end of this month, end of this year. So for example, one of the students had made the package and created the package, and he is taking in his pen drive. Okay, that's why we discussed in the last before class. Could you understand? Could you recall that one? How to access from pen drive, how to access from different location. One of the girl also asked a good doubt. Sir, if it is the module is in different computers, sir, how to access it? That and all we have discussed. Can you recall it? Can you people recall it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can see, I'm just minimizing. 1 minute. So the area and volume, this is the package, and init is this is the sbmath is a package. Suppose the file is in the same location means we no need to import. I will open this file. Normal import, that is, for example, import, we are importing the math module, that is sb.area as we are giving alias name, sb.volume as we are giving the alias name. Okay, suppose the main program, the calling program is in another location, or the module or the package is in different location, means how to access. Let me go for it. Okay, suppose it is in the main program, sorry, in the desktop. Let you see. You can see sys dot import sys, second line, sys dot append dot path dot append of f:// Python package. It is a folder name. Okay, suppose we created what? sbmath is a new folder. No, I'm just creating sbmath. We give that is a folder name. Okay, so or else it is directly in the f:. So we are using it. Let me try it. Okay, 1 minute. It's working. You can see it is accessing where the sbmath is located in f:. You can see in this next file, another file, where it is in the f:. itself. You can see this. I'm opening the file. f:, sbmath is there. Where the sbmath here, it is there. Okay, it is a package name. sbmath is a package name. Okay, so we are using it. Okay, 1 minute. Did you understand how to access it? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
enter the area it's asking, because we write the program. You can see in the first line, a equal to input of, enter the area. So I'm just entering the area 5. I'm entering. You can see, I think it is better compared to mobile, isn't it? So enter the radius. So I'm just giving 5. In the third line, you can see enter the breadth. Here I'm just pointer. Can you see the pointer which I'm showing in the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so b
Yes, sir.
equal to, yeah,
Yes, sir.
L equal to int of input of enter the length. Okay, so I think it's a spelling mistake, not an issue. So I'm just giving the length, and breadth I'm giving 7. Simply giving the number height equal to 9. I'm just giving. Okay, then that's all. We got the input. Now you can see the print statement. First print statement in this cursor. The area of square is where the area square, we are making the call statement AR dot square. What is AR? We defined in the first line of the program, sorry, third line of the program. Okay, import sbmath.area. The sbmath.area, instead of the lengthy name, we are giving a short name as AR. So that's why I'm using the alias name AR dot square. So you can see AR dot square. Okay, the square function, first thing you want to know what is the package name, and second thing you should not forget that what is the module name, and the third thing what is the function name. Three things you want to know, four things. Okay, and the fourth thing, last thing, how many arguments we are passing into the function. Okay, that is the thing, four things. Four things, if you remember, means we can easily call the we can easily make the call statement inside our user defined function. Okay, let me come to this program. So I'm just square I'm just using, and next line print statement I'm asking to print the square circle. I'm entering that, so it is printing all the output. Could you able to see this? So area of square, it's calculating. So the function is what? So if you want to define, yes please.
Sir, but in append function you are just given double slash. You didn't mention the file name.
File name I note, that is you mistaken. I think you didn't understand properly where the package is. Actually, where the package, what is the package name? What is the package name we given? SBmath. So the SBmath is where we located, where we kept the file, the folder. It's a folder. No, that is, it is a folder. I will show to you. I will opening this.
Understood, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Understood.
Yeah. Now, what is package means not a big thing. It is just merely a folder, but it should contain one file. What is the important file?
Understood. SBmath.
No, that okay, ma. That is what I'm asking. For example, I'm just creating a new folder for your easy and okay. I'm just giving a math. Simply, I'm giving a math. Is it a package or a, 1 minute?
No, sir.
I'm just creating. It's a math is empty one. 1 minute. I will complete it. Oh, sorry. I'm copying some module, and I stored in the where is the new name we given, math. I'm pasting it. Now what is math? Is it package or merely a folder?
No, sir. Just a folder.
Yes, very good. Exactly. How you are saying it is a package? SBmath is a package.
The init is not.
Very nice. Very nice. Exactly, you said. The init file, the PyCache folder is a default. Automatically, whenever you run the program, the cache memory we are using in our computer. That's why the folder is allocated. You can see, as you said, reserve students also please listen. The init file should be present in the folder. Then only the folder is considered as a package. Okay. Merely if we are creating a folder, we are storing, as you see. 1 minute. As you seen. We created a math. It is a folder name we given. It's containing of what is the thing, modules. Whether we can say it is a package means no, definitely not. Okay, so it should have the initialization file. The initialization should be happen by the interpreter. Okay, so interpreter will check where is the SBmath, whether it is a package or not. Okay, how it will be identified means whether the initialization file is there or not. Okay. Then if it is there means then it started, it's think it is a package. Okay, let I come to the program. 1 minute. Now we understand how the function is. Okay, lot of programs I opened, I think so. 1 minute. Okay, so you can see this is the program we wrote. Okay, F colon. You can see F colon, inside the F colon we directly kept to the folder, that is a package SBmath. Suppose the SBmath is in another location, another folder means inside of another folder means
you need to mention the folder name.
For example, yeah, I will show the example also. Another example. 1 minute. F colon. I'm just going. Python package is a folder. Inside the folder, I created the SBmath. It is a package because it contains the init file. Okay, so now what is the system statement? What is the path?
F double
slash yes.
Package.
Python package double slash.
Then
yes, inside the Python package.
So after double slash, you need to write submath.
No, that is the subfolder. This is the folder. No, all inside the Python package already SB math is there. No, we set the path till the SB math.
We need to, for writing the path, we need to check about that PC local disk. That we need to check that.
The
By
local
seeing that we
disk
can
of
write. No, sir.
you want to write like that, you are saying local disk of
By,
you are
no
saying.
sir, no sir. By seeing that we can write, no sir, directly.
Yeah, we can see. For example, I am seeing now. I am just opening the file. I can write it. Now you are asking like that.
No
But
sir, that
I
is
didn't
only
get
the
it.
path. No sir, I'm asking.
Yeah, this is only the path.
That's
F
only the
colon.
required path we need to write.
Yes. For example, if I want to access this file means, then I have to give Python package. Okay, this is the package. Now inside that SB math is there. Did you understand?
Yes sir, understood sir.
Okay,
Understood.
this is the concept. Okay, students, you learned how to create a package also today. Is it easy for you to understand?
Yes, sir.
All the
Yes,
rest of
sir.
the students? Yes. So what is package? Can you say? What is package? Definition for package.
Package is a collection of module.
Package is a collection of module. Inside we should mention the one file, that is init. Okay, sorry, underscore init underscore. Okay, we should create a Python file. Then only it is considered as a package by the interpreter. Okay, this is the important thing. Okay, let me go to the slide. Okay, so how to create a file help function? We can define inside the module. That is, I said namespace we already discussed. Okay, for example, one more thing, it's a new concept. For example, file name also, function name also same, module name also same, means not an issue. Namespace will automatically allocate. For example, random function is there, random module is there. Inside the random module, one more function is called as random. Okay, random is a function. So first name it will take is a module name and then dot object name. That is module name dot function name. Okay, you no need to get more confused about that. Okay, how to call a function? Area is a module name, then area underscore circle is a function name. These are all we have discussed in the where how to import a module, how to create a package also. Step 1, first we need to create a folder, and step 2, actually it is missed. Step 2, we should give the init file, and step 3 only we have to define the module. Okay, that is we have to create a module, and step 4 we have to import the module, user defined module in our own program. Suppose the program is stored in the normal default location, means we no need to set the path. Okay, suppose the package is, the module is present in the different location, means we need to set the path in order to access the file, because Python interpreter doesn't have the rights to access in our computer. So that's within the C colon only, within the folder only, Python folder only it can access. Outside the C colon, outside the folder, if it want to access, means we need to set the path. Suppose in D drive, E drive, or else suppose I inserting a pen drive, then inside the pen drive I want to access the file, means then we need to set the path by importing the sys module. Have you understand this one? Have you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then important concept is, we are coming to the last part of the program. That is, sorry, the chapter. Oct function and Excel function. That is, this is oct is the default function. Where it is defined means it is in the math function. Okay. We no need to import math. Automatically it is in the Python library itself. It is there. Oct and X. From that you can understand, return octal string from the given number by prefixing 00. For example, octal to the hexadecimal conversion. These are all number systems. Have you take the one chapter is there in the 11th standard, data representation, number system, 13th chapter, I think so. Take the book, 11th standard book, and refer the 13th chapter. Okay, there we are finding how to create it, but it is a simple function. We are using the function, it will convert it. What is the actual octal number for equivalent for the decimal number, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal conversion? Have you understand what is this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now another thing, that is int function, int of number. What the function will convert? But this is all type conversion, typecasting.
Integers,
We
sir.
have seen no integer of int of 5.5. What will be the output? Can you say? Int of
5,
yes,
sir.
int of 5. So the yes, the integer is a function. It will convert into the integer part. This are all you know. Str of 5.5. What is the data type of 5.5?
String, sir.
String. So these are all, can you remember it? These are all we used in the second chapter or first chapter. First chapter we discussed typecasting and type conversion. Can you recall
Yes,
it? Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the thing, and you can see this one more important function, round function, because whenever we are about to print the float data type means it will printing the 12 digit after the decimal. After the number, it will print 12 digits. Okay, that is not needed. That much accurate result we no need. Okay, so if you want to short the decimal values means we can give round of number comma number of digits. That is n digit. Okay, I'm showing the next slide. The example is given. You can see n1 dot n2. Suppose n1 what they given 5. n2 you can see this, that is 3. Okay, how many digits is showing? Okay, without number you can see this pointer without using round function. Now you can see in the next slide in the pointer, see the pointer, print result dot round of n3. N3 is a what? What is n3?
N1 by N2, sir.
N1 by N2, the result which is stored. Okay, N3 is a variable which stores the result N1 divided by N2. Okay, comma 2 is how many decimal value we want to show. 2, we mentioned 2. N3 comma 2 you can see. Okay, then that's why it's showing the 1.67. Have you understand? Round
Sir.
function.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Somebody's asking something. Okay. So these are all, and another one, string function. Let me come to the string function. 3 functions we are going to see. One is join function, replace function, and split function. First one, it is a join function. Okay, join function. If you want to join a specific character or a group of character in between the strings, we can use it. Okay, let us directly go to the example in order to understand. For example, you can see in interactive mode they typed hashtag we want to join. Okay, that is a string. Hashtag is a string. We have mentioned it's a double quote. That's why it is a string. Okay, dot join of India. India is another string. Suppose we are storing the India in variable A means hashtag dot join of A. We need to give. Then instead of every sequence in the string India, how many elements are there? Can you say? India is a string. How many elements are there?
5, sir.
5 elements. So how it will be joined? I hashtag n and d, then again I, then again a. Can you understand how it will be joined? You can see this example. Did you understand how the join function is used to join a single letter? For example, if you want to add a character also in between some words, if you want to add also, we can add it. Instead of hashtag, we have to mention the word. Do you understand? Did you understood
Yes,
this?
sir.
Okay. Then next one, join. For example, if you are using a tuple, second example, join of tuple, IPL, CCL, FIFA. Okay, these are all the, what is the data type of these things?
Tuple, sir.
Tuple.
Tuple.
Okay. Yes. So how many elements are there in the tuple contains?
3, sir.
3.
3 elements. So how that dollar symbol, $3 symbol mentioned no in this, you can see the pointer. How it will be add
Considered as
IPL?
one element, sir.
Yes, each one considered as one element. So first element is IPL and dollar sign will be added, and CCL dollar sign will be added, and FIFA. Okay. So in between the which character we ask to add, that character will be get added. Okay. Did you understand the last thing? IPL, FIFA, 1, 2, 3. It's showing error. Can you understand what is the
Yes, sir.
yes? What is the error? Why
Because
the error
it
is?
is
Integer.
because it is string type, sir.
Yes,
It's
the
only for
join. Yes, exactly. Join function only works with string data type.
string data.
Suppose
String data type.
if I give the 1, 2, 3 inside the code, whether it will work?
Yes, sir. It will work as a.
Yes, sir. It will work.
Yes, good. As you said, it is correct. So, but here they are given as an integer data type. That's why it won't work. Suppose if it is float also, it won't work. Okay. Number data types, it won't work. It only works with string data type. Which one? Because it is a string function. Join is a string function. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today's class we have discussed how to create your user-defined module, sorry, user-defined package also. Okay, first thing we have seen how to access a module from another location, and second concept we have seen how to create your own module, that we have seen, and the third one the many functions, many string functions, integer function we have seen, int, arc, hexadecimal number functions we have seen, and the string function join we have seen how to use. And tomorrow class we will conclude the things. 2 or 3 functions are there, and then some important topic also there. Once we complete it means we complete the 4th chapter also. Do you have any doubt in this?
Sir,
Yes.
No, sir.
sir, once you can tell how to create init file.
Init file, very simple, ma. It's not a big thing. I'm just opening the file. See, for example, I'm opening the Python interpreter. I just open. 1 minute. Okay, then I'm just opening a file. I'm saving it directly, nothing in it. Okay, in which folder I want to store. For example, I created a folder. Okay, new folder I'm creating. For example, I'm going to create a folder in D colon or same F colon I'm just showing. F colon, I create a new folder. Okay, the folder name is I'm just giving Zoom. Okay, Zoom is a folder, suppose. Okay, inside the Zoom folder, 1 minute. Inside the Zoom folder, I want to give the name underscore init, INIT, again underscore .py. If I saved means now Zoom is called as it's a package, not a folder. Have you understand? I just close this file. Did you understand,
Yes,
ma?
sir.
Okay. So now if you go to the F colon means you can see where it is. See here. Zoom is there. If you open this means you can see the init file. But afterwards we want to import the module. Okay, then only it is called as a package. No. Have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, and I think it's a time up. We will go for that. See you all next class. Tomorrow class, please join on time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye to all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. Bye to all and have
Thank
lunch.
you, sir.
Yes, yes. Bye.